Hello, today I want to talk about the tours that we did in Railay. So we organized with the manager of the hotel that we stayed at, because every hotel offers tours. You just have to book it through them. And we booked 3 tours. They were really fun. I recommend it. They were all boat tours, boat trips. So from close to the hotel that we were staying at, because we were staying on the one side where they actually do the pick up and drop off for the tours. So it was easy and quick to just get to the meeting point. But on the one day we did a tour to Monkey Island. Um, really beautiful boat ride. You get to see the surrounding islands. A smallish boat, and I think it could fit up to about 12 people, including the workers. We got to spend the day on Monkey Island. So it's basically a deserted island, so only monkeys live there. So it was fun to get to watch the monkeys. And funny enough, Railay has more, I think, more monkeys than Monkey Island. But it was still just a fun trip to do. And it was really affordable, maybe about 4 hours of the day. And then on another day, we took a boat trip to Bamboo Island, which was a gorgeous island with the whitest sand I've ever seen and the bluest water I've ever seen. It was really beautiful. Got to spend maybe about 3 hours here. So they actually recommend that you pack a lunch, just so that you can have something to snack on while you're at the beach. After this, we went with a boat and we went around to there's islands that's close to Koh Phi Phi. Really beautiful islands, with the backdrops of like movie sets. And then we got to just spend the rest of the day here and snorkel, boat through the caves. This was a time when Thailand actually closed down Phi Phi Island for 2 years because of over-tourism. So we didn't get to see what they would usually offer. But this was, for me, it was still good enough. And yeah, it was just a quick and easy tour from the island of Railay. I do enjoy spending time in the water and snorkeling. And while doing this tour, I realized that I really need to I need to get um, my diving license, because I would really like to learn how to dive. Yeah, because you get to spend more time in the water and go deeper and interact with the fish. This trip actually inspired me getting my diving certificates. Railay is one of my favorite places in Thailand. I can't wait to go back one day, and I really recommend it. Be sure to check out my Railay video. Hope you like this one. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.